cruising through Walmart, I found this. Dialga. Let's open up Dialga. So, I tend to do pretty decent on some of these box kits like this, if I can ever get them open. So let's get this open here. And we have 6 packs. And we have, what do we have here? Lost Origin, Astral Radiance, Fusion Strike, Lost Origin, Astral Radiance, Fusion Strike. So let's get those all paired up. Let's pull out our big card. Ooh, fancy. Over there, we got a pin that I just dropped on the floor. Plastic pin. Okay. And we have some promo cards here. Get them out of here. That's a cool card. That's a cool card too. I tend to do the worst with Lost Origins, so we'll do them first. White code card, bad. The damage pump. Sea Fever. Trumpet. C-Dot, Rhydon, and wah, wah. To be expected. Lost Origin hates me. Ooh, black code card. Might have something this time. Card-Blink. Reverse Malamar. Look at him. He's pretty cool. Nice. Almost feels like it's really thick. So let's break into Astral Radiance now. Can't remember if white code card means bad in Astral Radiance. Roll. Bronzer. Roll it. And wah, wah. Ooh, black code card. Normally means we have something, I think, in this set. Some water. Overquill. Ruffle it again. And cool. Nice. Fusion Strike. Ooh, Psych Energy. Spongy Gloves. Frostmoth. Thank you. Dreepy, sorry. And, oh, look at that. Nice. And our last Fusion Strike. Uh-oh. White code card. Let's find out. They could surprise me. Wah, wah. So thanks for watching.